that pays $31, and the second one is 10 items. Good morning everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today is Monday, February 2nd, and we're gonna start some Uber trips. But today, since nakakuha na tayo habang nag-aantay tayo sa bahay, that pays $31, and the second one is 10 items, then that pays $35. So makapansin nyo, hindi sila parehas ng amount, no? And there is a big difference with the item na kailangan natin kunin. Yan dahil una kong nakuha yung nasa baba, and then additional lang yung mas maraming item. So let's go and do that now. So we just got additional order, but we already have 2 orders. I don't think we can do that, but it's a good pay. I'll just pass for now. Alright guys, so we keep getting the additional order. $22 for now nakamis, but can't do it right now. Alright guys, so we're down to our last item, which is chicken burger. So we're almost done. So good. So let's go and check it out. So we got another offer, 9 items for $36, so let's get that. And we just got here. Alright, so we're here. So we're done doing the grocery drop-off. Now we earned $65, and we did that for 41 and 23 seconds. 41 minutes and 23 seconds. So less than an hour, we did a $65 job, and we also got an order for $34. 9 items, so I think it's gonna be like 30 minutes, no? So let's go. So guys, tingin nyo ba okay yung $65 for less than an hour job? So just let me know. Thank you for watching.